welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about another mass shooting in Irie, man. Observer says 7 shot, 1 dead. Say Gleaner say 1 dead and 8 get injured. So around 8 or 9 people get shot. Whatever the real figure is, another mass shooting. But tell them, so enough of them things are in isolation. We just be, one of them things there. But it's the concentration of events for spooky. How much spooky things are happening in a short space of time. The entertainer Christopher Martin, it was Fiend grandmother. 9 night, he get shot up. He made a post on his Instagram page. I'm going to talk about it. Before we go into that, the Mafia and Boomed video ready. If I know tomorrow or the day after. Look out for it. Mafia and Boomed cause a whole heap of problem right now in Manchester. Boomed especially a long time, right? Him in the madness. But it's a similar story to Clarendon. The Farringdon. Look out for that video. Next video if you look out for. I tell them to say, I get a call from somebody at the bar. One time I go up there, that means I was called to the bar. So right now, seeing as how, once you get called to the bar, only you alone have a higher level of intelligence. And me and my fellow colleagues, my fellow learned experts in the lawyer world, lawyer association, we've come up with a new method to how we can reduce murders, mass shootings and anything there, especially after what we see happen in a Clarendon. Brace yourself, this is high level, cutting edge level reasoning. Many of you non-lawyer peasants probably won't even get it. But you're going to see that video there. Finally, Sunday, we'll be dropping a video on the circus going on in St. Vincent. Such man left the country with the highest murder rate and gone pose up with the leader of the country with the second highest murder rate. You can't make this up. It's no surprise that the leader of a country who currently sits second on the homicide rate for the world would be happy to embrace and dine with such man. I'm going to tell you why the circus take place. And if you don't know who that quote-unquote leader is and what even him own country think about him, we're going to find out Sunday. So story about mass shooting going on at Christopher Martin. Grandmother's 9 night. Notice them now use the word mass shooting. Because for years they tell us that Jamaica don't get mass shootings. So we don't get mass shootings in Jamaica. That's only like an American thing where you call 9 people getting shot one time. Oh, that's just 9 people. I'd rather say 9 people got shot, It's a mass shooting. The idea people have of mass shooting is that there's like this lone white boy where him head not too good and him decides, alright, since you now bully me, I'm going to show you something, I'm going to shoot 5 people. That's the idea people have of mass shooting. Mass shooting is literally, as the name suggests, a whole lot of people getting shot one time. The motives don't change the end results. 9 shot and 9 shot, 8 dead or 8 dead. But they didn't go there to kill one man and a straight shot catch the rest. Or they didn't go there to kill everybody and make a point. Or some young Billy Joe who decides that since he can't get the girl and people bully him or kill everybody, end result is the same. It's a mass shooting. Only one person is dead, but other people critically injured if we go see if they pull through. Notice them are target places where Jamaicans gather up. In a Clarendon, people have bingo party and I tell you, no found people who celebrate badness and death and destruction. No found people who laugh. No found who laugh at evil or face it. Because they tell themselves, well, me not involved in any badness. I mean, even though I support the acidity. So me alright, not anymore. The 9 night, the wedding, the funeral, the party, the concert. The man must shoot them up. The man must shot them up. And no business. Now this one love, we pull up on the ends and anybody where we see it, get it. Me no business who want get it, we just turn the rifle over there. So, me see one girl I run and kick over one table and laugh and celebrate them things there. So, what not ball about? This is no love. This is no love, you know? Chickens are come home to roost. Me tell you already, so me only have shed tears to the children, them. And them alone really innocent in all of this. When chicken marry out the near, well, when Irie people marry, 87's the near. Now, as me say, it was reported that a Christopher Martin granny, 9-night, he came out and made some statements. And me go share statement. We don't know. Me go share to do know. These are his words. Quote, "My heart is heavy this morning as I reflect on the tragic events that occurred last night at my beloved grandmother's wake. She was a woman of deep faith and endless sacrifice, someone who taught me the true meaning of love and community. It's devastating to see violence cast a shadow over what should have been a moment of peace and remembrance. I condemn all forms of violence and extend my deepest sympathies to the families affected by the senseless act. I pray for those involved to come forward and for our community to support the authorities in bringing justice. Jamaica, we must do better. Life is too precious to be consumed by violence. Let's choose peace." End quote. Excellent PR statement right there. Well, let me say this to Chris Martin. And by the way, Christopher Martin, you know, he got already talented youth. Very impressive career. You know, how him start out, most people who start out that way, they fail way. But he's managed to constantly keep himself relevant and reinvent himself and manage to make a good career, right, out of music. So, I know people are going to link him and say, "Yo, the YouTuber boy this, yo." If him want to take it away, that's a film problem. Right. But, may I address Christopher Martin the same way I address anybody else. Popular or not, famous or not. Christopher Martin. Great statement. But it only proved the point. What me tell you is one of Irie man's unofficial mottos. Only my pain matters. Them tell about out of many one people. Me tell you say the motto them are out of many one plantation. And the other one is only my pain matter. That sum up Irie man people very well. Nice only make when time sitting bother them. Christopher Martin. The smoke not even clear from 4 parts Clarendon yet. The smell of blood still in the ear toward fresh. I'm go through Christopher Martin page. I saw nothing mentioning the worst mass shooting in Jamaican history, in recent history. Nothing to say. Everything Christopher Martin said righteous about him grandmother's 9-night applied in 4 parts Clarendon and the many other places them the Irie man where gunman turning at the wild west. When you ask DJ say why only don't condemn the badness more? Why don't distance yourself from one of the colleagues them who promote this madness? Them give you all kind of story tell about, well, you know, I don't want to post nothing negative. This is a case of only my pain matters. The worst mass shooting in recent history of Jamaica take place. And your favorite celebs them, the most you might see one look a repost pan them story. Check the outcry for when anybody popular dead. Or them turn the place upside down and go on the most and jump on them live and jump on this and talk until them throat hoarse up. Start get all emotional, tell you they are because of the tragedy and the tragedy, or because of your friend, or because of your family. Anybody can be moved when something happens to them personally or somebody them know. That is nothing to write home about. When Clarendon turn upside down, your favorite DJ them never interested to post nothing. Man they too busy to worry about which clothes and boot him and put on. It's all about the swag. This PR statement would have had more value if it came out at somebody else granny 9-night. But when I hear one, it's a case of only my pain matters because a man come shoot up my granny thing. So me I say, dog, my granddad even dip on it and the man come shoot up my, look over there, so the man come shoot up the thing. Until your favorite entertainers, influencers, whichever clown you want to think about, truly renounced badman culture in all its forms, and nice and PR. The place was silent out of Cherry Tree Lane. None of the 8 people them that died. That 7-year-old boy was not related to no DJ. I'm going to prove a point right now. They're going to prove something to me right now. All I want to listen right now. Tell me the name of the 7-year-old boy there in that Cherry Tree Lane. Tell me the name of the 7-year-old boy that died in Cherry Tree Lane off the top of your head. You don't even know it. His name is Aiden Bartley. That name was not ringing around Jamaica on your favorite DJ them page, or your favorite influencer them page. It was not ringing around. Right now you Google 7-year-old. What name again, man? You don't even know that boy's name. The 8 people them not popular enough. Look like them now have the DJ family and the influencer family. Like them Instagram page never big enough, so Jamaicans never care enough. These people are vile. You don't give a damn about nobody. Don't tell me about no innocence. Hey, you can't get no more innocent than a 7-year-old. 1-year-old baby get shot in Clarendon. Nothing at all to say. DJ fraternity. People who love going like say them care about poor people and poor people and poor people. Them not have nothing to say. One little post see them lucky. But we didn't see them go as hard as how them go on other topics. Notice when them go hard and what them go hard for. The response was shambolic to the worst mass shooting in recent history. Whatever reason make these people sit down and not say nothing. When time 8 people dead, including 7-year-old and all 1-year-old get shot. Whatever reason make them lock them out, are the same reason for lock them out and it happen to somebody what they care about. Or I'm close to home. If you don't like post negative things, then don't post negative things right through. If you don't like post about crime, then don't post about crime at all. Worst mass shooting in the recent history and all Jamaicans care about is which influencer they who and who la take who for and who these people are weirdos. Overgrown children. I will never forget the response to that mass shooting in Clarendon. It was atrocious. It was pathetic. One little small post here, one small post there. Ridiculous. It should have been the biggest story. It should have talked about all now. But the worst hypocrites me ever see. People are saying me about, you look at you boy, and Slicky and her fans them upset because them say the man we kill her get bail and them talk about justice system want fix. When since it want fix? That's the only time justice system want fix, when it release somebody who you not like. When it release somebody who kill somebody you like and somebody you follow, somebody you idolize, that's the only time it don't work. Normally you celebrate the loopholes in the justice system. Normally you celebrate the weakness in the justice system. When it make the people them who you like and worship bust case. The chickens are coming home to roost, guy. Only can talk about chuck your mother slurpee all you want. But the chickens coming home to roost. So just think about that when you're at the next gathering, stand up on one corner, and you feel good and you feel nice and you go down and want juice. I talk about, well, me not involved in nothing. Me not involved in the badness. You love badness. You love badness culture. The chickens want to come home to roost. Only the children them. Because them alone innocent in all of this. But tell them they go and laugh and then cry later. Only not say nothing yet. Only say the concentration of events. Or everything happen one time. Back to back to back. When I not earthquake or mass shoot. Only not say nothing yet. When I ball now. We better start pre-planning the statement them to put out. Now I got to done tell them to say. People who don't know pain will never know true peace. So the pain never start touch everybody yard, everybody doorstep. We now go see the real face of the ugliness on our support. And our skin off on the teeth and run up and down. So Irie man, out of many one plantation, only my pain matters. Only when you reach my doorstep, only when I'm connected, I have something to say. You soon see people start looking at me, yo, you hear how who do it? What do you mean who do it? You're an informer. Wanna just say, Stop inform and call man name. No one want to know who do it cause of Christopher Martin Granyan. Yo, we need to bring them to justice. Remember them say they don't like informer, you know. Jamaicans don't like informer until somebody shoot up. Somebody they like. Kill somebody they like. Then it's alright, we need to come together and work together. The same people them who say look YouTuber informer, the same people them who like call Noel Maitland name, you know. That ain't informing. Same people them who say, yo, we need to put out information and get an arrest on the person who killed Sikiana. The same people them say they don't like informer. So informing is okay as long as you inform on somebody who them not like or kill somebody where them like. These people are vile. Go run up and down about earthquake preparedness. Can't help you, too late. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA. You don't know more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.